Hello, my name is Steve Booker and I'm currently in the south of France on the Porsche driving experience. We're driving these incredible mountain roads and we're going to be having some fun. It is unbelievable. The roads that we were driving and kind of when you're looking around, it's real amazing landscapes, amazing scenery. So it's been an amazing start today on the Porsche driving experience. Just parked the cars and stopped in this beautiful little town and it's time to get some lunch. The single track road that we were driving actually is part of the Monte Carlo Rally. So that was definitely a highlight. It just is fun though, isn't it? After you've been driving these amazing roads for the whole day, you think, oh, it can't really get any better than this. And then you arrive at this stunning hotel and it's like just such a perfect end to the day. And then to have dinner with everyone there after you've all experienced that day together, I think is very unique. So we've just made a quick stop off to check out this absolutely spectacular viewpoint. It is phenomenal. We have arrived in Cannes. It's been an incredible few days and driving these cars around these roads has just been phenomenal.